Okay, so this is my remote operated circuit. A bit of modification, like it's like we'll be using two separate remotes to control the same LEDs with different functions. So it's a very simple project, but it's still something that we will be using two separate remotes just to show that it just within a normal sort of a microcontroller you can actually control any type of remotes. So let's see how it works. Now what we have done, there are around 3 LEDs in there, and each we have set up certain functions. We have binded some keys with particular LEDs, right? So let's get started. What will happen is that when I press one of the keys, the LEDs will flash for 1 second and then will go off. Now for example, if I am using this remote, right, and when I press 4 number button, there you go, the yellow light goes on for 1 second and goes off. And when I press 2, the white, you can say white or inbuilt red light goes on and goes off. It's just for 1 second and goes on off. Now when I press 3, there you go, when I press 3, the third light, the pure red light, goes on for 1 second and goes off. Similarly, as we have seen for 4, which goes in for 1 second and goes off, we have modified that also. And when you press 1, it goes on for 5 seconds and then goes off. Here you go. It's completely microcontroller operated, so we can actually program it the way we want it. So again have a look at this. When I press 1, when I press 4, it goes on for 1 second and goes off. And when I press 1, it goes on for around 5 seconds and then goes off. Now let's see. Let's try to control the same LEDs with a different remote control. Obviously the program is separate for that. Now when actually in this, what we had done, if you press the power button, all 3 LEDs should go on. There you go. And when I press the mute button, all 3 goes off. Again, when I press the power over here, see the remote, when I press the power, I'll move that like this. Yeah. When I press the mute button, it goes off. Now furthermore, what we had done is like we had put up a voltage difference, like wherein like it works in a sense that it just it just starts to fade. Let's see. And then just put out the circuit, loose circuit. Let me just switch this off. Now if you press this controller, so let me just put on and off again. Let's show you again. When I press this one, okay, 1 second. Let me just try it again. Yeah. Now when I'm using these 2 keys, right, up and down. Up will actually increase the light, and when I press the lower key, it should decrease the light. Let's try it out. Okay, now let me start reducing it. You see there is minor reduction in you can see it just started to dim. I could actually keep bigger steps, but then actually in the camera it's not being visible that clearly, but yes, it is getting reduced. It is, I think, at the minimum now. And when I actually start increasing it again, yes, it is off. It goes on getting brighter. See, you can see that now clearly. Again, I'm reducing it. There you go. It is dimmed. Yes, now again. 2, 3, yeah, there you go. Okay, anyways, let's on again, on all the 3 again. Off it. A simple, nice remote operated circuit. Okay, thank you.